Okay, what's up? What's up? This is the first word I want to share with you guys. Instead of saying hello, you say what's up? What's up? When you greet, other people such as your family, your friends, your relatives, and something like that. Okay, it looks like a question, right? But actually, it's not, and it's definitely the answer. And it's the informal.
Hello, my name is Huyền from AHA English Standard, and this is my new series practicing pronunciation for beginners. In this video today, we will learn to the next vowel pair. This is U sound and O sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. We will start with the U sound. To make this sound correctly, keep in mind 3 steps. Step 1 is pull your lips forward into a circle. Make like this. Okay. And step 2, pull your tongue up and back. And step 3 we have is pull your lips forward into a tighter circle as you say it. Okay. Ooh is a long vowel sound. Now I want you to watch my mouth carefully and listen on your attention to how I pronounce this sound. Okay, and try your best to mimic this sound. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Is it right? Okay. Move to the next ooh sound. In this sound, ooh sound is a short and relaxed vowel sound more than the U sound, and you just remember just 2 steps to make this sound correctly. Okay. Step 1, open your mouth a little more than the U sound. And step 2, make the mouth less round, but still keep your lips into a tight circle. Okay, look at my mouth carefully. Great. Now look at the words pair and see difference between U and U sound. Okay, look, stood, pull, stood. Okay, good. Now we practice the U and U sound. And listen and repeat after me. Okay? The first U, two, soon, music, blue, food. Okay? In sentences, what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Okay, the second sentence is I am a student and you. I'm a student and you. I'm a student and you. Okay, let me introduce you. Let me introduce you. Let me introduce you. Okay, and the U sound. Good, look, sugar, cookie. Okay, in sentence, she stepped on my foot. She stepped on my foot. Okay, those cookie look good. Those cookies look good. Okay, that's the today we have 2 vowel sound. This is U and U sound.